Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at Swift Credit Repair, found at SwiftCreditRepair.com. Navigating their website, you can access information about their services, including credit repair, credit building, debt validation, and more. They emphasize a commitment to helping clients improve their credit scores and overall financial health. The site details their process, explaining how they work to dispute inaccurate or outdated information on your credit report. Swift Credit Repair also offers educational resources designed to empower clients to understand their credit and take control of their financial future. They highlight the importance of accurate credit reporting and provide insights into how credit scores are calculated and utilized. The website also features testimonials and reviews from previous clients, offering potential customers a glimpse into their experience with Swift Credit Repair. It appears they strive to provide a transparent and personalized service, tailoring their approach to individual client needs. Further exploration of their website reveals details on pricing and packages, allowing potential clients to compare options and choose the best fit. They seem to offer a range of services designed to address various credit-related challenges. Additionally, you can find contact information, enabling you to reach out to Swift Credit Repair directly with any questions or inquiries. Their online presence suggests a focus on customer service and support throughout the credit repair journey. They emphasize the complexities of credit reporting and aim to simplify the process for their clients. Swift Credit Repair underscores the potential long-term benefits of improved credit, such as access to better loan terms and lower interest rates. They seem dedicated to providing ongoing guidance and resources to help clients maintain healthy credit habits after completing their program. A deeper dive into their site may reveal additional details about their team's expertise and experience in the credit repair industry.